everyone. So I am just going to show you, I don't want that to be so big. I want to show you how to find the any color at all. So if you really like a website and you like the color but you don't know how to find the hex code for it, basically this will show you how to get any color from anywhere basically, and get the hex code. Okay, sometimes this is really useful if like you've got a color, you had a logo, you've got everything, website and everything, and then you just for some reason lost all the color codes for your design. You don't want to have to start from scratch. You don't want to have to try and work it out or match it. So you come to this website, imagecolorpicker.com. I'll put the link in the description. And I mean, I never bothered to log in or anything. I just always use the free thing. I've been using this website for, honestly, I reckon about 10 years. So thankfully it's still here. So all you do is you come into pick color from image at the top here. Okay. So what you do is you either can, this is my website. You can either come in here and use an image. Okay. Or you can upload an image. That's easy. And like I say, I've been using this website for 10 years or something, so I'm pretty sure it's good. You can either pick a color on your screen, and then you can click start, and it will allow you just to use your mouse, and it will allow you to pick whatever color you want. You can go to a website URL, and you just literally pop in your website URL. So say I was going to do, this is my website, so I can just say okay, and it will take, as it says there, a screenshot of the website for you, and then you can go through an image URL, etc. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory, but just say we're going to do the website URL. It's going to take a screenshot and it's going to pop it on the screen, and now basically all you do is you go through and you pick your color. So say you wanted this color, you want to get the hex for that color, or you want to get the hex for this color. As you can see, very different colors. If you want to get the hex for this color, any of them, even like really close. So see how it's gone right in, and if I click on that color, it's a light pink. As you go down the bottom, you'll see where I clicked, it will choose that color for me, and it will tell me that is that hex. So this is your hex color. Okay, and basically you get the point. So anything you want to try and match, just say you want to go in here, you want the top color, you want the darker red, like it really lets you be super specific, and grab any color you like, and once you click on it and you pop down the bottom, you'll see the hex code. Then you can just copy that hex code. What I like to do is use a note on my computer, just so they're always easy, they're always accessible. I can just grab them anytime I want, and I have got my hex codes ready. Obviously you can save the hex codes in your branding area in Canva so that you've got them. I actually haven't got all of our hex codes done this particular. The only thing I noticed you can't do with some places, this is a blended gradient hex color, whereas if you're trying to do this in, for instance, in Go High Level, it doesn't let you do blended ones. It only lets you do up to 10 colors. Okay, and then you can add your logo, you can add your hex colors, and then obviously you can come in later and you can do your various typesetting and your fonts and things like that. So it's all ready, and that's it. So hope that helps. Bye.